Meaning of fluoridation.
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 Fluoridation. Fluoridation refers to the process of adding fluoride to public water supplies in order to reduce tooth decay and improve overall dental health. The addition of fluoride to water has been shown to strengthen teeth and make them more resistant to decay. This is because fluoride helps to remineralize tooth enamel, making it more resistant to the acid produced by bacteria in the mouth. Fluoridation is a safe and effective way to improve dental health at the population level, and has been widely adopted in many countries around the world.